Good morning, Lewisdale Lion family. Thank you for tuning in to the Lewisdale Morning Show. Today is Thursday, May 7th, National Children's Mental Health Awareness Day. Mental health refers to a person's overall behavioral, social, emotional, and psychological well-being. In a little while, we will talk about showing awareness for the importance of positive mental health in our lives. But first, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for the Lewisdale affirmation.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Lewisdale affirmation. I will achieve because I believe in myself. I will unlock the doors to success. I will overcome any challenges. I will succeed because it is in me. I am someone. I am special.
You sure are, boys and girls. Thank you, Mr. Green. Time for announcements. Your Prince George's County Public School device is being monitored. Work daily, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Remember to Google and stay on appropriate sites related to school. Complete your assignments, communicate with your teachers, and remember to log out. Today's teacher appreciation activity is We Are Thankful Thursday. Tell your teachers what you're thankful for. Head over to my Google Classroom, watch the tutorial video, and get the link to our class Padlet, where you'll tell your teachers what you're thankful to them for. Don't forget, include your teacher's name and your name. Thank you to those that continue to put smiles on your teachers' faces. We have been enjoying all of the emails. Thank you to those that participated in the Nurses Appreciation Project and all of the Teacher Appreciation Projects. You can catch live lessons on cable. Check Prince George's County Public Schools website for the schedule. Lesson packets are available to be picked up when you get food Monday and Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Lewisdale. And you can now also pick up supper for your meals. Let's talk about it. May 7th is National Children's Mental Health Awareness Day. To show awareness about the importance of positive mental health in our lives, we are going to wear green today. Talk to an adult about how you've been feeling while coping with the big changes we've been experiencing. If you want to talk out your feelings with a counselor, reach out to Mr. Jones. With it being announced yesterday that school is closed for the remainder of the year, you're probably feeling a lot of things. The Lewisdale staff shares in your sadness. We would much rather be with you, but we know it's important to stay home to keep ourselves and others safe. Please know we miss you very much, and we're praying that each of you and all of your families are staying well. Remember, it's okay to feel what you're feeling. Please reach out and talk to someone. Happy Thursday. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.